Number one, Quran says, إِنَّ الْمُنَافِقِينَ فِي الدَّرْكِ الْأَسْفَلِ مِنَ النَّارِ. The hypocrites will be in the lowest part of Jahannam. They are worse than kuffar in the eyes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. A kafir is saying whatever he is. He's openly disbelieving. Okay. But he says, I believe. And then this is the attitude. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu lima taquluna ma la taf'alun kabura maqtan indallahi an taqulu ma la taf'alun. Oh, you who profess to believe, why do you say what do you act not? And this will not give you any credit in the eyes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is the biggest discredit. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's anger reaches high when he sees a person claiming to be something else and he is really something else. His actions are something else. So, إِنَّ الْمُنَافِقِينَ فِي الدَّرْكِ الْأَسْفَلِ مِنَ النَّارِ. Then you know, Quran says, Allah says in the Quran, استغفر لهم أو لا تستغفر لهم إن تستغفر لهم 70 مرة لن يغفر الله لهم. O Muhammad, O Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it's equal for them whether you ask my forgiveness for these people or not. Even if you ask my forgiveness for them 70 times, I'm not going to forgive them. Can there be any worse end than this one? Deprived of the shafa'ah, of the prayer of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and going to the lowest chambers of Jahannam. This is the prognosis.